Kerry Lawing, CEO of Prevail. Glad you could spend some time with us today. We're here today with Joe Kakaty and Richard Blankenship, and we are here to talk about some of the most important topics tied to venture capital, both experiences and lessons learned. So the topic we're here to talk about today is one of my favorites, which is the importance of being founder focused or looking at the founder when you're looking at the potential companies, both their history and what you expect. So for both of you, give us from your perspective with all of the deals that you've looked at and the ones you've invested in, talk through that founder relationship and why you thought it was unique when you ultimately made the decision to invest.
Well, similar to Prevail, we won't invest without having an in-person meeting with a founder. So we're very founder focused. And we look at if there was a repeat founder, we consider that to be an advantage. Not that we require it or anything like that, because we just see them as being battle-hardened. They've made tough decisions. We do background checks. We do personality tests. We are looking for pattern recognition. And the reason why I say pattern recognition is because with all of these investments, we're looking for what has happened consistently and what is the common thread so we can repeat our success and avoid any failures.
Yeah, I think the founder is the most important part of the business. You could have a great product with a bad founder and it's never going to work. You have a great founder with a semi-good product, you could have a great business. And for us, the number one thing is just having a founder that's the most dedicated to their company. They're willing to die on the sword for it. And so that's what we look for in the founders that we're investing in. And our top performing founders also share that trait of just 24/7 in their business.
One of the things that I've learned is I'm looking for somebody that's been through adversity.
Yeah.
And a lot of these founders that have it, I get really cautious over because when you've been through adversity, you know how to live through the other side. And sometimes having a little bit of gray hair, and maybe a little bit bigger forehead,
that
tells me that they've been battle hardened and the decisions are better. So I think those are really, really critical things.
Couldn't agree more.
So check us out, prevailiws.com. And again, founders matter in the selection of the companies we're buying. Important.